Hello everyone, big news today for all Windows users. Microsoft is rolling out the Windows 11 2024 update, also known as version 24H2. Let's dive in. What is new and how you can get it? Microsoft has officially released Windows 11 version 24H2, also known as the Windows 11 2024 update. It is available through multiple platforms including Windows Update and the Microsoft Admin Center. This update is supported for 36 months for Enterprise and Education Edition, so businesses can start deploying it to ensure all apps, devices, and infrastructure are compatible. What is new in Windows 11 24H2? Enhanced security, improved local administrator password solution for easier account management, personal data encryption, new app control to keep your system protected from malicious software, protected print mode for more secure printer management. Second, better connectivity, support for Wi-Fi 7 for faster internet speed, Bluetooth LE audio support for assistive device. The third features, new feature in the interface, a scrollable quick setting menu in the system tray, text label for action like cut, copy, and rename in the File Explorer, energy saver mode to extend battery life. The fourth, more accessibility option, expand voice clarity to reduce background noise, improved audio preset for Bluetooth devices including hearing aids. The fifth, advanced SMB protocol update. Update to the server message block SMB protocol for better network security and performance. These are just a few highlights of what Windows 11 24H2 bring to the table. Enhanced security, improved connectivity, and a smoother experience, all aims to make your time on Windows better. Ready to try out the new features? Update today and explore. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more tech update. Stay tuned for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.